Hi everyone, and today we will practice with the shoulder opening. This one is really helpful for the people sit a long time using the computer, or even you are student or you're writing everything. You feel so stiff in the right side of the shoulder, and even you go massage also cannot release. So this with only 10-minute exercise, do gently stretching can help you release this pain. Now let's do together. Stand comfortable. With inhale, lock your hand. Inhale, raise your hand up, look up over the head. From here, if you feel your maximize, just stay here. If you feel you can, more lengthening and bring the hand over the head. Tuck in your core strongly and firmly. Yes, just stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, slowly release. We do one more time. Inhale, slowly raise your hand over the head and look up the ceiling. You can drop your head if you can, and bring your hand over the ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release your hand. We do last round. Inhale, raise your hand up, look up, bend back. Just stay here, firmly and strongly. 1, 2. This time you can go deeper. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, release. Remember, when you going up, on way inhale. When you fall down, on way exhale. Okay? And now from here, very easy and simple. Bring your hand, put in the shoulder, and we do the shoulder rotate. 1, 2. Try to bring the elbow together, and when you bring, don't bring until halfway. Try to higher the elbow. 3, 4, and 5. Now release. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, another one. Inhale, raise your hand over the head. Exhale, bend to the right side. Look up the ceiling. Tuck in your core, lengthening more the left side. And inhale, raise your hand up, look up. Exhale, bend to the left side, look up the ceiling. Just stay here and try to square the body, tuck in your tummy, lengthening, feeling the deep stretch in the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, raise your hand up, lengthening your body, and exhale, release. Now we do another stretching for the shoulder. Bring your inhale, bring your hand together. Then, now bring the right hand, roll over the left hand. Bring your left hand to the right side and use the strength of the right hand. Put your left hand more to the right side. And enjoy the stretching here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, slowly release. Inhale, raise your hand up. Exhale, down. Now inhale, raise your hand more in front. Bring your left hand over the right hand. Then press more to the left side, feeling deep stretching. And you can look in the right side. That feel very stretching here. Tuck in your core strongly, firmly, and lengthening the spine. Stay here for 5 more seconds. Use that. Don't hold your breath here. That breathe at normal. And 1, 2. Breath more. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale. Exhale. Release. And for now, we will do another one for the shoulder, more opening. You can see from my behind. Inhale, slowly raise your right hand up over the head. Try to lengthening more the spine here. Yes, you don't just like this only. Try to lengthening the same. Someone pull your hand, fly to the sky. Yes. And exhale, drop your hand between behind your neck like this, between the shoulder. And from here, bring your left hand, put the left elbow, use your left hand, push your right elbow. Don't just hold like this, Bring over and use the left hand, push more to behind, to opening more the right shoulder. Release on the stiff here and the tight ring. When you're using the computer, the mouse, and writing, or do many things, place the phone in the hand, you feel so tired in the right shoulder and feel very stiff. This posture helps you so much. And slowly inhale, release. Now we do another side. Inhale, raise your left hand up, lengthening, feeling the stretching from the left side. From here, you can feel. And drop your hand between the shoulder. Bring your right hand up and pull the elbow down more. Yes. Just stay here for 5 more seconds. During this practice, chin tuck in your tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale and release. You see, this is a simple exercise, simple stretching. You feel so good in the shoulder. Now we go with deeper stretching. Inhale, raise your right hand up, lengthening the same. Someone fly you, go to the sky. You feel lengthening more. Yes, exhale, flex your hand. And now use the left hand, find the right hand, and pull the right hand down more. Yes, just stay here. If you feel too difficult to two hands touch each other, you can use your towel to hold. Yes. So we just stay here for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, release your left hand, and exhale, push the right hand down. Now inhale, raise your left hand up, and slowly bring your right hand, find the left hand, and push it down more, opening your left shoulder. Yes, you can see very clearly, strongly and firmly tuck in your core. Stay here for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now release your right hand and inhale. Exhale, release your left hand. So now you can slowly close your eye and feel the difference from start until now. We really warm up our shoulder opening.